All right. I'll take my hat off for this one. Put my glasses up there. Boom, brand new stuff. 7th graders. And we're going to continue with making things easy, right? So this is the first time we're not going to, other than adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing integers, we're not going to change numbers, write them different ways. This here, I call it puzzle math, all right? Because it's simpler. The state of Virginia calls it solving a problem with given replacement or something like that. It's crazy. Why do they make things so hard? I don't understand it. Anyhow, why they make things so hard. But puzzle math sticks, and you're going to see why. So, let's jump right in. For instance, what if I said A plus B equals 10? You say, okay, Mr. Bowers, that can mean a lot of things. A could be like 1 and this is 9, B is 9, or 2 and 8, or 5 and 5. There goes my phone. Anyhow, I'm not stopping. And this here too, since we got these letters instead of numbers, since we have letters instead of numbers, this is called algebra. Ooh, that big scary word, algebra, right? Everybody in here is going to be taking algebra in a year or so, either at Central or wherever. And don't be afraid, because the only thing that makes it algebra is when they use, these are called variables. I could use the letter X, Y, a dollar sign. A variable is a symbol that stands for something else. So these letters are going to stand for numbers, and they're going to evidently add up to 10. And the reason I call it puzzle math is because they're going to tell you, well, A equals 6, B equals 4, right? And all we got to do is take the pieces and put them in the puzzle. Wherever we see an A, let's put a 6. Wherever we see a B, we put a 4. Ding, ding, ding. Puzzle math. Can it get any easier? No, I don't think so. Alright? Let me show you some others, the way they're going to do it. Let's leave that A and B at 6 and 4. But it's not always going to be 6 and 4. Well, let's change it. Alright? Let me do something like, let's put a C in there too this time. What if I do something like A, B, C equals. And I tell you A is 2, B is 3, and C is 4. What the heck, Mr. Bowers? How are we going to do that? Puzzle math, right? Wherever we have an A, we're going to put a 2. Wherever we have a B, we're going to put a 3. Wherever we have a C, we're going to put a 4. But what is this saying here? Are we adding them? Are we just putting them there as the answer to 234? Think about it. In algebra, whenever you have two variables butted up against each other, it means times. So this one would be 2. Wherever we have an A, we're going to put a 2. I like to put them in parentheses there. B is 3 times 3, and the C is 4. So that's all we got to do. 2 times 3, I like to do it like this. That is 6. And then I bring this one down. And then we have 6 times 4. Our answer is 24. A times B times C. Puzzle math. Let's do one more. What if I do something like, let's do B, C divided by A equals. What the heck, Mr. Bowers? Algebra, right? These are the pieces in the puzzle. I tell you what the puzzle means. All we do is put these pieces in here and do the problem. So let's go ahead and do it. Wherever we have a B, I'm going to put a 3. Wherever I have a C, I'm going to put a 4. So that's 3 times 4 divided by 2. Alright? because the A is a 2. Wherever I have an A, I'm put a 2. So this is the same as this. Hence the equal sign. Means they're the same. Now what do we do first? We got multiplying and dividing, right? It's really a PEMDAS problem, but whenever you're dividing one problem by another, just act like it's only one problem. Don't even look at the bottom. Just do the top. Just do the top first. I'm going to run out of room here, but 3 times 4 is 12. And then we're going to, there's nothing else to do there. That's 12. Bring this down, and then we divide by our 2, right? Half of 12, the answer is, I'll write it down here, 6. Yay! Yay! All right, one more? Let's do one more. And we'll change these up. And I'll change the letters up. It's not always going to be A, B, C. Let's say we got a X and a Y. All right? I'm going to say X is -2 this time, and Y is 5. What if I do that? All right? And then I give you a problem like, what is Y minus X equals? How do we do it? Puzzle math. Here's our pieces. Here's what they stand for. Just put these pieces in here and do the problem, right? So wherever we have a Y, we're going to put a 5. Bring down my operation, 5 minus, and then my X, wherever I have an X, I'm going to put a -2. 5 minus -2. That's all we got to do is put the pieces in the puzzle. Now, hopefully it's been about a month since we did any integer operations, but we don't subtract. We do keep, change, change. Keep the 5, change subtraction to addition, and change the sign on this from -2 to +2. Y minus X equals 7. Puzzle math, people. Another easy topic in 7th grade math, all right? It's harder once you put the pieces in the puzzle to make sure you do your operations correctly, right? All right, hope you enjoyed this learning video. Tomorrow we'll pick back up. Warm up practice, warm up practice. Y'all are doing great. Do your work. Do it on time. I hate going back. I want to head to the practice and see everybody finish. Then I can put 100 in every grade book, just like that. But if you wait a day or two to do it, pain in the butt. Do your work. All right. Love you guys. Bye.